In today's world of social media and online commerce, selling your car has never been easier, even if it seems like a drawn-out process. Here are 5 easy steps to make sure you're getting the most out of selling your car. Number 1. Research and price your car. If you want to appeal to buyers, you first need to set a competitive price. Use automotive sites like Edmunds to appraise your vehicle. Be realistic about your vehicle's condition, mileage, and options. Then, research similar cars listed on online classified sites. This will help you refine your price before you list it. You can also go to a retail or dealership location that offers a no-obligation appraisal. If you're comfortable with their offer, you can even sell it to them right on the spot. Number 2. Advertise your car. You can list your vehicle on many of the same sites you used to research the vehicle in Step 1. Increase your chances by listing the vehicle on multiple sites. No matter what site you use, make sure you include accurate information about your vehicle that show both the interior and exterior of the car from multiple angles. Number 3. Show your car and yourself. When you're selling a vehicle, buyers will not only evaluate the car, but also the person who owns it. Buyers will feel more comfortable if they know you took good care of the car and answer their questions openly. Make sure the car has been washed and that you've removed all your belongings. It's also a good idea to have any maintenance records available to show. Any smart buyer will also want to test drive the car. Ride along with them so you can answer any questions. It's also reasonable for them to take the car to their mechanic for an independent inspection. Number 4. Negotiate your best price. Give the negotiation process some thought ahead of time so you won't be caught unprepared when the time comes. If the buyer's offer is well below your asking price, you'll have 2 choices: hold firm with your asking price or make a counteroffer. An easy counteroffer, of course, is to meet the buyer halfway. A lot of the time, this will get the deal done. In some cases, the buyer might want to have an agreement contingent on you performing repair work. This can lead to misunderstandings down the line, so avoid these type of deals if you can. The best thing to do is discount the car, so the buyer can handle any repairs on their own. Number 5. Finalize the deal. The laws regulating a private party sale can vary from state to state, so make sure you're aware of all the legal requirements. You can usually find this info on your local government or DMV website. For payment, insist on a cashier's check or cash to close the deal. Once the money is in hand, sign the title over to the buyer and provide them with a bill of sale. Finally, remember to contact your insurance agent to cancel the vehicle's policy. You can learn more tips about selling your car by visiting edmunds.com/sell-car.